thank you very much for watching my show. Alright guys, today I feel like I'm a little lazy today, right? Yes, you can call me lazy. Yes, Lourival is lazy today. Yes, today I'm gonna make a very simple dish. I don't want to cook, alright? But it's gonna taste delicious, alright? And I'm sure everybody loves it, alright? I'm gonna make today garden salad. Alright guys, I'm making my own dresser too, alright? But don't be afraid. Guys, alright, let's go guys. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have here, alright? You want to cook with me? Alright guys, let's go. Alright, very good. Wow, look at my table, how it looks like. Beautiful, colorful, the way I love it. Alright? Alright guys, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have here now. I have 1 red onions, finely chopped. I have 1 head of lettuce, plus I have 1 head of green cabbage, plus I have 1 head of red cabbage. This is for the salad, right? For the vegetables. All right, sorry. So also I have a half head of green pepper, plus I have a half of red pepper and a half of yellow, right? So also I have 3 avocados. I have 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes. All right, guys, to bring the flavor together. Very good. Also, I have 12 ounces of Swiss cheese, but you can put any cheese you want. All right. Also, I have 4 eggs. I have 5 ounces of spinach. I have 5 ounces of green olives, 5 ounces of black olives, plus I have half bunch of scallion. This is for my green salad, right? So now I'm gonna go over to what my dressing, right? I have 1 cup of olive oil. I have 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Also, I have 1 tablespoon and a half of honey. I have 1 tablespoon and a half of mustard. I have 5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Alright guys, to bring the flavor together. Very good. And also I have a half teaspoon of salt. Also I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Alright, if you guys don't like black pepper, just don't use. Alright. Plus I have 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Alright guys, to bring the flavor together. Alright? That's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. Alright. First, I'm gonna start with my lettuce. Alright, very good guys. Just pour everything there, make nice. Right? You can go with your hands. I wash my hands already. Very good. Next one, I'm gonna go with my green cabbage, right? Alright, very good. That's where the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. Alright, very good. Let me make sure if it's all over. Very nice and neat. And also, this dish, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a good presentation. Right? Your parties. Alright? Today I have 8 guests. Alright? Plus I'm cooking some barbecue, but not for the show. Right? Maybe next time. Alright. After that, let's see that. Looks good. And after that I'm gonna put the spinach. You just put everywhere, right? Looking good. Very good. Very fresh, okay. Very easy to do. I'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, so now let's start this, alright? Beautiful. Now I'm gonna start now to do my decoration, right? So you guys can do exactly the same, right? It's a nice presentation. You guys is gonna love it, right? You just pile it all the way to the top there. That's all right. Good. Okay. After that, I'm gonna use my Swiss cheese. You just put right next. Okay. It's looking good. Very good. You guys can use any different types of cheese. You guys, if you want to use 2 different cheese, that's fantastic. That's great, right? So very good. Right after that, I'm gonna use my black olives. Right. You guys doesn't like black olives, just don't use, right? Very good. After that, I'm gonna use my, you can use any one you want. I'm gonna use my tomatoes. See, it's give nice contrast. It's delicious. It's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, very good. All right, guys, I see you very shortly. All right, guys, welcome back. All right, very good. So now it's time for me to do my green olives. All right. So you see that it's giving a nice contrast, right? Nice, beautiful. Right. Very good. Alright guys, if you want a good food, right, you're gonna need a very good recipe. Right? So please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm sure you're gonna be happy today and forever. Alright guys, let's go. Very good. Alright, it's looking good. My next step is gonna be my red onions. Right? Just put right against. I have to make some room here for the peppers. Alright? Trying to organize these onions. Right? Beautiful, right? And you're gonna have a nice presentation. Nice, all right? And here's now the mix it up both. All right. This is the peppers. Very good. It's looking very good, very good. Right? Right guys, very good. Right? So now I'm gonna here so you can see it. Right? Now it's time for my avocados. To cut the avocados like this. Right? Sure. Don't cut yourself. Very good, guys. See that? Now you just peel them. Alright? Let me peel this and I'll be right back. Alright? Alright guys, welcome back. Alright? So what I did, I peeled already, so I don't want my show too long. Alright? So now let's start to finish this recipe. Right? But don't be afraid. Okay guys, alright, let's go. Very good. So now you're gonna carve them like this. Yeah. Okay, very good. So now you're gonna put it right here. Avocado, just beautiful, right? It's ready. Another one here. Right, and then just put in the top. Right? Beautiful. Very good. Good. I'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, now let's do my eggs. Alright, so what we're gonna do is let's cut like this. Like this. Okay. Now we're gonna make the decoration. Alright. Good. Nice presentation. Last one. Alright. Alright guys. Now this is my scallion. Okay. You just extra color. Right? Good. Alright. Alright. It's gonna be good. It's gonna taste good. Alright guys, see you very soon. Welcome back. Alright, now let's do my dresser. Alright, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid guys. Alright, very good. Let's go. Alright, this is my olive oil. My garlic. That's when the colors and the flavor comes together guys. Alright. Now my balsamic olive. Very good. My honey. This is my mustard. This dress is very, very good. It's not strong, right? It's light, right? So this is my salt. Good. This is my black pepper. Alright, that's enough. And this is my lemon juice. Woo, alright. Up. Bingo! Alright, very good, guys. You just have to give it a shake. Alright? Give it a shake. Alright, guys. I'm gonna let this sit, alright, for 1 minute. Alright? And I'll be right back. Hey guys, alright, very good, guys. I'm gonna show you the final product. Alright? Very good. Nice presentation, all right, for your parties, all right, but don't be afraid. Good, guys, all right, very good. All right, guys, I had a guys for 8 people, all right, so I have to go in, all right. Cheers.